Hey everyone, this is Shriya Tamam. In this video, I'll show you how you can track your daily reports on DL.Surf as a publisher. So let's get started. Once you are on your publisher dashboard, you will see a chart right away that gives you a quick snapshot of your daily performance. But if you want more detailed breakdown, head over to the daily report page. Here, you'll find a table that lists your data by dates, making it super simple to monitor your growth. Let me quickly walk you through what each column means. Downloads. The total number of times your files were downloaded on a specific day. Referrals. How many users signed up using your referral link? Download earnings. How much you earned from downloads that day? Referral earning. The earnings you made from the user you referred. CPM. Cost per mile. This shows how much you earned per 1000 downloads. Want to view your performance over a specific time period? No problem. Just use the date filter at the top to customize the report based on your preferred date range. And that's it. Tracking your performance on DL.Surf is super simple and powerful, so you can stay focused on earning and growing more. Thank you.